Hey everyone, welcome to windystudio and welcome to another brand new Photoshop tutorial. And again, we'll be creating a very simple poster design as always on my favorite software, that is Adobe Photoshop. And before starting a tutorial, I would like to thank all of my Patreon supporters for showing your love and support on my Patreon. One more thing, if you are new to this channel and if this channel is helping out to improve your creative process, then please do subscribe my channel. And with that note, let's dive into the video. So here we're in Photoshop, and first thing first, let's create an artboard, and for that go to File, click on New, and I'll just go with 4:5 resolution to 300, color mode to RGB. Let's keep the bitrate at 16 and let's keep the rest as default, and let's click on Create. And just for now, let's add a solid and let's make it a little kind of darker color. And let's go over here and let's add some shapes. So let's drag one right over here, and then Alt and drag, let's make a copy, and again Alt and drag, let's make another copy. Let's go to the layer and let's select all three, Control T, and let's fill this whole part. So we have like three different shapes out there, and let's make a copy of these three shapes. So Control J and then Control T, let's make it a little smaller, just like so, and then let's change the color for a little darker, and it's just for like just to make us easy to see what's going on. So you can just make it any color as you like, and Control T, let's keep it in the center, maybe somewhere like that. Let's keep this together, let's keep it like that. Control T, let's keep it just like so, and again Control T, let's move it and let's keep it just like that. For this white, let's bring it together, and yep, let's keep it like that, or maybe yep, let's keep it like that. And now let's select all these, Control T, and let's add a skew just like so, and maybe from here to just like that. So it's like -3, -3.2. okay, just keep it like that, and let's click on enter. Yes. And now let's drag and drop this image right over here. Yes, and then let's keep it above this layer. Right click, create clipping mask, Control T, let's make it bigger, and let's fill the whole part, maybe just like so. Let's make it a little smaller. Yep, let's keep it like that, and let's drag and drop another image, this one, and let's keep it right over here, and let's keep this just above this layer. Right click, let's create clipping mask, Control T, and let's make it bigger, and let's keep it just like so. And let's change the background color to kind of pure white like that, and then let's drag and drop another image right over here, and let's keep it all the way to the top, and Control T, let's keep it just right around here. Let's make it a little smaller. Yep, let's keep it just like so, and let's create one more layer. Go to brush, and let's go for a general soft brush, and let's go for a darker color just like that, and let's add some shadow just to create some separation. Yep, just like that. And then let's create one more layer, and let's add some brush strokes right around here too. Yep, just like so. And let's go over here and let's add some text. So I'm going to use this font. So if you want to use the same font, please check in the description list below. And then Control T, let's add a skew again, and then the skew gonna be minus 3.3, just like that. Let's make it a little smaller. Control T, let's move it just like so. Let's change text to Mr. Road. Yep, let's keep it just like so, and let's create a one more layer on top. Go to brush, and this time let's go for this particle explosion brush. And if you want to check the same brush pack, please check in the description list below. It's available on my Patreon too. And then let's change the color to white. Yep. And then let's create a one more layer on very top, and let's add some strokes right around here. Let's add some rotation before that. Yep, just like so. And let's go to eraser tool, and let's erase some of these parts, the hard edges right over here, and maybe some strokes from this layer too. So let's erase some of these parts. Yep, let's keep it just like so. And now let's add a color LUT. So go over here, let's go over for and add a color lookup, and from here click on load, and I'll just use my mood LUT. So select this one and click on load. So this is what we got. And let's add a curve on the bottom, and then let's increase the shadows just like so. Maybe it's too much. Let's keep it maybe just like that. And let's increase the highlights too. Yep. Yep, let's keep it just like so. Let's go to the green channel, and let's increase the green and the highlights, and let's decrease it in the shadows. Yep, let's keep it maybe right around here. And again, let's go back to the blue channel, and let's drop down the blue just like so. And let's go to the layers, and there are like some hard edges, you can see it, so let's go and fix that. So let's go over here, add a create a new layer, go to brush, and then let's go for a dark color. Yep, just like so. And after that, let's drag and drop this texture right over here, and let's keep it on the very top. Let's change the blending mode to screen. Control T, let's make it smaller. Let's add some rotation, and yep, let's keep just like so. And then let's drag and drop another logo. Let's drag and drop one right over here. Control T, let's make it a little smaller, and let's keep it one right over here. And then let's add a one more text. Control T, let's make it bigger, and let's keep this one right over here, and let's keep it maybe under this layer, and let's change the color to kind of darker red just like so, and let's make it a little bigger. Yep, just like that. And let's merge everything. Ctrl Shift Alt and E. Let's go to filter, let's go to camera raw filter, and from here let's drop down the highlights, let's increase the shadow, and let's increase the texture, and let's increase the clarity too, maybe something like that. And let's drop down the vibrance just a little bit, and then let's add some vignetting. So let's go to the effect and let's add some vignetting just like that, and let's click on OK. Let's make a one more copy. Let's go to filter, let's go to neural filter, and from here let's turn on that skin smoothing, and let's make it a little smoother. Yep, maybe I think 18 looks good to me. And let's do the same thing for another face. Yep, let's keep it like that, and let's click on OK. Oh, and then one more thing, if you like to add some extra element on it, so we can just add a gradient. So go over here, add a gradient map, let's go to the layer, and let's right click, let's create a clipping mask, and from here let's change the gradient color from white to, let's go for a kind of darker red. Yep, let's go for maybe kind of something like that. And then let's do the same thing for other layers. So to go over here, add a gradient map, and again for this white, let's change it to kind of darker green, right? Or yep, let's go for, let's click on OK, and let's go to the layer, right click, just create a clipping mask. So like that we can change the look of the design too, but it's completely up to you how you guys want to carry it. So yep, that's the final, and I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.